Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make anime in Infinite Craft. So this is going to be a very simple, very easy tutorial, so just follow along with me here. So let's go ahead and start by adding water in order for us to create a lake, and then we're going to go ahead and add fire and fire as well. Now that we have done that one, let's go ahead and combine them together, and then we create island. So island and island will become a continent, and then if we are going to add earth down below, just like so, and then add another earth again, we should be able to come up with mountain, combine it together, and we are coming up with Asia. Now, if we are going to add an island in Asia, it becomes Japan. And then if we are going to add water as fire, it becomes steam. And then steam plus Japan becomes anime. And yep, that is how you're going to make anime in Infinite Craft.